Quality data verified. All systems nominal. Authorizing reverse osmosis sequence. Utilizing waste heat, the concentrate is gently preheated before reaching the evaporator, ensuring a smooth and efficient continuous flow.
The pale yellow, slightly viscous liquid inside is rapidly gaining temperature as it passes through the steam chamber.
Maintaining the perfect 66.9 bricks is crucial to prevent crystallization, a task handled seamlessly by the automated system.
The rich, amber syrup flows through the colorimeter for precise verification. A robotic stamp then applies.
Monitoring the cooling curve is essential. This controlled environment ensures the amber syrup reaches its optimal temperature, guaranteeing stability and taste.
The autonomous vehicles smoothly deposit the pallets onto the high bay shelving, completing the final stage of Process A production.
The high-temperature evaporator boils the concentrate to an extreme 257 degrees Fahrenheit, rapidly
focusing intensely on the transition of the dense liquid into solid, granular maple sugar on the cooling table.
As the crystalline mass moves through the oven, gentle forced air removes moisture. Sensors monitor. The boxes remain perfectly stacked and immobile, confirming the integrity of the secondary product during distribution.
Here is the manifest for the maple sugar shipment.
Verified on the tablet. All set for unloading.
Put the sugar boxes right here, gently. Okay, let me just confirm the manifest. Looks good, we are all set.
Bring that pallet straight back to the holding area.
Roger that. Is this the maple sugar shipment?
Yeah, all grade A.
That's perfectly sweet.
This is delicious. The maple sugar adds the perfect sweetness.
It's so good, honey. You did a great job.
The customer ensures the product is stored in a cool, dry place, confirming proper consumer handling to maintain its quality.
Wow, that is incredibly smooth. The maple flavor is so rich and intense, it just melts in your mouth.
The fine white crystals mix easily, offering natural energy and enhanced flavor after a tough workout.
The specialized milling process ensures a perfect, uniform, granular consistency.
Sap. This crystallized maple sugar offers a unique, nuanced flavor profile far superior to standard sugar.
A macro view confirms the refined quality achieved during the precise milling and drying phases of Process B.
From our modern factory to your table, the purest maple sugar for every application.